Mastering Office Skills, the Art of Data Entry. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a common but crucial part of many jobs, data entry. Whether you're applying for a job that lists data entry as a requirement or you're just curious about what it entails, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll understand what data entry is, why it's important, and where it's used. So, let's get started. Data entry is the process of inputting information or data into a computer system using a keyboard, scanner, or data recorder. It's a task that requires attention to detail and accuracy. Data can include anything from names and addresses to large amounts of numerical data for businesses. The goal is to transfer data from one source into a digital format efficiently and accurately. Data entry may seem simple, but it requires a specific skill set. Key skills include typing speed and accuracy. Fast typing skills are essential, but with minimal errors. Familiarity with software. Knowledge of software like Microsoft Excel, databases, or specific data entry software. Attention to detail, ensuring that the data entered is correct and consistent. Basic literacy and numeracy. You must understand what you're entering and be comfortable with numbers. Data entry is critical for businesses because it provides a digital record of essential information, which can be used for tracking and organizing. Information is more accessible when it's entered into a computer. Decision-making. Accurate data is crucial for making business decisions. Operational efficiency. It helps in streamlining tasks and maintaining organization-wide efficiency. There are various roles that involve data entry, such as administrative assistant, accounting clerk, data entry specialist, medical coder, online form filler. To be effective at data entry, consider the following tips. Double-check your work. Always review your data for errors. Use shortcuts and tools. Learn keyboard shortcuts and use tools to automate repetitive tasks. Maintain a clean workspace. A clutter-free environment can help minimize errors and maintain focus. Thank you for watching our guide on data entry. Remember, this task is more than just typing. It's about maintaining the integrity of information in the digital age. We hope you now have a clear understanding of what data entry involves and how it fits into the larger business picture. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and happy learning!